This automation can help me and help you to repurpose your Pinterest content into various platforms such like YouTube, Facebook. You can easily repurpose your content and other people content into different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any or. So first of all, click on more and then you need to click scenario to build this workflow. So click on save changes and save anyway. So in this video I use the platform called make.com. Here you can build your workflow to automate any kinds of your business. So click on create a new scenario button. So I click it and it now loading it. You need to wait. So I use the platform Rapid API. If you don't know, just sign up and create account and join this. Visit this Rapid API URL to scrap Pinterest. So I can scrap my Pinterest account to build. So simply I just copy this URL and visit my workflow, and then we need to type HTTP and then we need to choose a make a request. Now it is loading and now we need to type our URL in this box. So our query is amazing. We want to imaging photo from Pinterest by using search function. So our method is get and we need to add our header. So we click on add a header and we need to just back, and the host is rapid API host and name we can paste it. Now we need to put our value. So the value is we need to go back and just copy the value. So now we need to again visit Rapid API and just need to copy this and just paste it. So I forget to copy and just need to copy Pinterest from here to here, Pinterest to comma back, and just paste the value and click on add on header and just yes Rapid API key. I simply copy it and just I paste it. Now I need to copy this and I just go back and just copy it and just go back and paste the value here and I just save it. We need to preface this one, so we click on yes button and you just need to save it. You don't need to do any extra thing for that. Now I can simply run this model only. So our work is running now and we get the result. Here you can see we simply need to click data option. Here the Pinterest has scrapped 5 pin for us. So this is the URL, date, time, website, and for this now we can schedule this for time. So we can choose a day, minute, anything. Choose your in behalf. I choose in my behalf. So I type 333 and just activate scenario and just save it. So when you comment 100 comment, I will give you this workflow for free in description in comment. So we need to upload this in Facebook. We simply need to upload a photo. Bottom we just simply click it and we need to add an account. Simply you need to click on add account from here and just authorize your account. I already have many accounts, So I don't show you how can do you simply need to choose a page. If you don't have a page, just create one, or you can find tutorial on Facebook, YouTube, and many how to create a Facebook page. So just click on toggle tab in setting logo. You can appear the setting. So it can appear the setting. We simply need to add a to download image from our Pinterest. So we need to add a module for this. So we can do this. So I mistakenly choose the router. We need to delete. Here you can see how can I delete this. You can learn. So we simply use a HTTP module and download a file, and just here we can go to data to and simply need to paste this URL of this, so it can download image for us, and we just need to save it. Now we need to connect this to Facebook. Now we don't need to now I simply run once, then we need to connect. Here we can see our image file. This is on binary form, anything binary. Simply we need to convert into it can become an image. So Facebook support binary form, so we can convert this into binary. Here we simply choose the page for this. Now we need to file from HTTP, and we simply need to add a message. You can add your custom anything. So we simply paste a Pinterest title. So we can simply click here to add a Pinterest title, and add some hashtag for myself. You can add title description that in available. I simply add title only and some hashtag. I add BMW. It is most popular hashtag with 300 follower, and photography 250 million. And we just need to run once to check it everything work not. So we simply save it, and here you can edit your time and you can run it. I want to run every day, so our time is in fixing. We need to don't change anything. 3 is fixed, means everything working fine. So when I run it, the image edited successfully uploaded in our Facebook page. You can visit our Facebook page. You can see my name, or I can show you the output of this. So I simply click on output. Here you can see photo ID and post ID. Here you can see about page ID. This is a great way to repurpose content. I like this way. If you like it, just drop 100 comment. I will send you this workflow for free for you, for everyone. That in this video we can run in multiple time. I don't show you in my Facebook account. Bye bye. Tada.